Welcome to this training module. The module has been prepared by IWMI in collaboration with Digital Earth Africa. It is an introductory course to digital innovations for water secure Africa on the Digital Earth Africa platform. The training content was prepared by IWMI experts, and it has been reviewed by experts of Digital Earth Africa, as well as potential end users coming from the water, meteorology, and academia sectors. The training module consists of 4 sessions. The first session is an introductory session. The second session and the third session focus on spatial and temporal statistics of rainfall and evapotranspiration across various scales. Session 4 covers spatial distribution of soil moisture in an irrigation scheme. We selected 2 case study sites. They are the Awash Basin and the Mekki-Zwai irrigation scheme in Ethiopia. These 2 sites were selected because of high competition for water. The target audience of this training module includes water, meteorology, disaster risk management, agriculture, and other related sectors. It can also be used for teaching purposes at universities. Therefore, I encourage you to share this training module with potential users. Enjoy the training.